guys, Brian with Posture 38. Here's another video that we cut underneath the SoCo name that I wanted to recut and maybe provide a little bit of clarity to the air versus coil argument that everybody's having in their head. Well, let's dive into this build. This build started off as a 2015 Lexus RC 350, and we went with the Performance series from Airlift. This lift will provide 4.3 inches of drop up front and 4.7 inches of drop in the rear. Now we talk about the livability of these kits. You can drop them all the way down until they are basically almost dragging frame, and you can take them all the way up to clear a driveway. And from top to bottom of these adjustments, that only adjusts by 3 degrees of camber. So that means if you set up the very top setting with the alignment to be 0 degrees of camber, as soon as you get it all the way to the bottom, you'll be at a -3 degrees of camber for that little bit of tuck. And the question is, how do these ride? They're going to ride a lot like a progressive coil. You basically assume that the air takes the place of the coil and creates a more progressive type flow. As you get all the way to the bottom of the travel, the shock is going to feel a lot stiffer, but it'll be free to move at the very top section. It does also include a high performance monotube shock to help keep these tires planted. The wheels are the TSW Watkins in a 19 by 8.5. These are a +40 and they are directional, so you'll have to order a set for the left and a set for the right. This will limit your options when you are rotating your tires. And this customer did stick with the factory sizing of the wheels so that he could stick to the tires that he already had on there. All right guys, hopefully I cleared up a little bit of the argument that you might be having in your head on whether to go with coils or to go with an air kit. Keep in mind that -3 degrees of camber as you drop to the bottom when you are aligning it. All right guys, Brian with Posture 38. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow, and we'll talk to you in the next video.